Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm gonna do, I know it's a little bit late. So I was supposed to do it before Christmas, New Year, but sorry. Anyway, I've been having this pretty lipstick from Smashbox, the Crimson, which is like a liquid metal lipstick, for like quite a long time. I think I've been having it for at least 7-8 months and I've never tried it, so I want to try it today and I want to do a look with this. Let's see if you like it. See ya. So I'm using my Stila Estee All Day Foundation and Concealer in shade Beige 4, and I'm using my Lise Watier foundation brush to apply it. I love this foundation because it doesn't, it really stays all day. Nothing happens to it, it doesn't crack, and it's amazing for people with oily combination skin. The concealer that I'm using is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer in shade 1C Light Cool. I love to apply that one with my finger because I found that with the warmth of your skin it applies better, it doesn't leave any excess on the skin. And I do love this concealer. This is my favorite concealer when I want to do like a flawless skin, because it does like blend really pretty and it does cover really good. And then I'm applying, to set my under eye, I'm applying my Lise Watier Magnifix-to-go powder. I do love this. The a little bit of a whitish shade that it does have it to it. It's gonna help to brighten up the under eye area. It doesn't crack, it doesn't like get excess on your face. It makes it super smooth and nice, and it really stays for a long time. I do love this product. This is like one of my favorites setting powders. Then on top of it, I'm gonna go with my MAC light blot powder pressed. I bought this one like 2 weeks ago, I think, and have been using it ever since. I love it. It really helps, especially on the face, like around the nose and like on the jaw and like chin area, to blot it out for you, especially for people like me who are having like combination oily skin. And I'm just using my big brush to just like blend everything in. And then I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, light to medium. I'm using 2 of the dark shades. I do love this. It's more like a taupey kind of color. It does work very pretty with my skin and blends very pretty. You can see it yourself. And I'm using my Lancome brush, like a kabuki brush, and I made a mistake, I think. Yeah, but I fixed it with the finger. So yeah, I do love this. In comparison to like bronzers, it doesn't have that like orangey undertone into it. That's why I love that. And it does like work really pretty. You can see it really fast. So I'm gonna contour my nose now. I do use the same brush. I don't like to use the smaller ones because I found like when I'm using the smaller brushes, it does leave line on my face, which I don't like. It does look more natural when I'm using the big brush. And yeah, like I personally love this. Oh my goodness. So we are using Lise Watier Soufflée as my highlighter. This is amazing. This was a limited edition product, like when I was at Shoppers still. I had so many people, you can see how pretty it is, oh my goodness. I had so many people grabbing this for like a body highlighter. It's a body and face. It's super pretty, it's super nice, it's more creamy, and it does like, it doesn't stay on top, it does like absorb really pretty, and it stays really long, and it looks so freaking natural that I am, see, like just see for yourself like how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, like I don't even talk, just see it. This is so pretty. Oh my god. So for eyeshadow, I am using my MAC eyeshadow palette. 2 shades I'm combining together is, if I'm not wrong, Corduroy and Saddle. One of them is more into brownie orangey, the other one is more into ivory pinky undertone. So I'm just like combining these together, and you can see the color that it's giving me. I'm using my Lise Watier definition brush. I do love this brush. This is really good. It does blend really pretty, and it doesn't like leave any line for me. You can see how pretty it is, and it does blend really pretty and easy for you. This is one of my favorite brushes. Oh my god, just look at that highlighter. Just see. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And okay, so here we are. Look at that. It's Lise Watier Liquid Transformer. So I'm using that one with MAC Carbon eyeshadow. So you need just one drop of that to turn any eyeshadow to a liquid eyeliner. And I'm using my MAC 208 brush to apply an eyeliner there. Seriously, since I got this, it's a really good price for this huge bottle that you use like one drop each time. And since I got this, I literally didn't buy any eyeliner or any even like eyebrow pencil anymore. I am just using this, like I use it for both. And the reason that I bought it at the very first place was that there's so many eyeshadows that I personally do own that the shade is not something that I would use for an eyeshadow, but it's going to be so pretty if you're using it as an eyeliner. So that's why, like, that was the original reason that I got this one. When I found it, I was like, oh my god, this is so good, so you can use it as like eyeliner for you. But then I started using it with like black as an eyeliner, and I've been loving it so far. It does really stay really long time, seriously. It doesn't like drip or anything. It does stay the whole day whenever I'm using it. And if you're like smudging it, it's gonna be easier for you to smudge. But seriously, like, just see for yourself how pretty it is. It looks like a liquid eyeliner. It's not gonna be any different for you. The only thing is, I found when I apply it on my hand and just like take the brush and put it in the liquid and then put it in the eyeshadow, it works the best for me. At first I tried to like drop it on the eyeshadow and it was like getting a little muddy. I didn't like it, so just like try to have it on your hand. So what I'm doing now, I'm using the same brush, I'm using the same liquid, and I am using my Lancome palette. I don't remember the shade, to be honest, but it's a dark brown shade. I'm using that one as my for my eyebrows to fill in, and see how pretty it fills in. Seriously, how easy, how pretty. I am seriously in love. This is one of the things that if you do have a makeup kit, you need to have a Lise Watier liquid transformer in there. Seriously, like, this is something that's gonna like save your life, like. And you can easily take it with you, and it's a really good price. I don't remember exactly how much was it, but it was like seriously a good price for this huge bottle. Just keep in mind you're using 1 or 2 drops each time. So for my mascara, the first mascara that I'm using for like upper lashes, I'm using my Lise Watier Dramatic Intense 3D Volume Mascara. I do love that brush. Just see how pretty it is. It does really give you volume. I tend to not use like volumizing mascaras for my like lower lashes. I prefer to use it only on my upper lashes. But the thing that I like about it, like you see how I'm applying it, I just apply it like that, and then I go with the tip and just like fill in, especially at the ends, and it doesn't get clumpy. That's what I love about this one. Like the thing that I found with the big brushes, sometimes it gets clumpy. Even like when I was using the only 2 like volume mascaras with this kind of brushes that I like is one is Lise Watier, the other one is Fusion Beauty. I don't remember the name of it, but I will show you. I had it in my other video, and I'm so in love with these 2. Like, these 2 are my favorites, like volumizing mascaras, and it really does the job, and you can see it doesn't get clumpy. How pretty it is. And it does really, like, the volume that it gives you and the shape that it gives you is gonna stay for a long time. That's what I found. That's why I love it. For my lower lashes, I'm using my Lancome Défincils mascara. This is one of the originals, like it's been around for ages. I found this brush really good for if I'm doing like a no makeup look. I might use this on my upper lashes as well because it looks so natural. But for my lower lashes, I found the brush works really pretty. I love that. For a lip liner, I'm using my Smashbox Always Sharp lip liner in shade Figgy. These are like these don't go away, seriously. Like this lip liner, nothing happens to it. The whole day is gonna be there for you. And the shade is so pretty. I found like it really works because in reds we do have so many kind of reds. This works with the reds that they do have like brown in them, kind of browny shade into them, works with the reds that have like orangey undertone into them, and works with the pinky red tones as well. So I'm in love with this, seriously. It's so pretty, and it's uneven. Like, see how pretty it is. If you apply like only like a gloss on top of it, it's a pretty color, and it does really stay long. And now it's the time for the pretty lipstick. So the Smashbox, let's see, Crimson Chrome, liquid metal. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. It is so Christmassy. I should have used it on Christmas. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so Christmassy. It is like metallic, but it's not like super metallic. Like you can still wear it, and see how pretty it is. Oh my god, I love that. I literally love that. I'm gonna use it every single day. And this is the look, guys. Hope you liked it. I do love it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit late for Christmas colors, but I always wanted to try that lipstick and see how it turns out. I love it. It's so pretty. It's so Christmassy. It's so like sexy. Please comment below and let me know what you want me to do for the next video, and also any questions if you have. I might do a video for the next one for skincare. Please just ask me any questions that you have, and also please subscribe so we can go on. Have a great day. Bye.